Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Hooked in Loops. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button, and for getting updates of new videos then please click the bell icon. Today I am going to show you how to make this beautiful crochet sunburst granny heart doily. Okay, so follow the tutorial. I am going to provide the written direction before each step so you can take a screenshot before proceeding. So we will do a magic circle. Take the yarn and wind it around the fingers like this. Insert your hook from below the first loop and pull the second loop, okay, like this. And then we are going to do a chain 1 to secure our magic circle. Okay, so our magic circle is done. Okay, so after that we are going to proceed with the next round. With firstly we are going to do a chain 3. Okay, that is going to be the first double crochet of a round. So after the chain 3 I will be doing a chain 1 for the space. Okay, so chain 1 space, then in the magic circle I am going to do a double crochet. Okay, followed by a chain 1, then again a double crochet in the magic circle, again followed by a chain 1. Okay, so in this way we are going to proceed, taking the first chain 3 as a double crochet. We have total 12 double crochets in this round with chain 1 after each double crochets. Okay, so we will quickly complete this round and come to the end of this round. Okay, pull the tail to shorten the magic circle. Okay, now after the last double crochet of this round we are going to do a chain 1 and then complete this round with a slip stitch in the third chain of the starting chain 3 of this round. Okay, followed by a chain 1, and we will cut the yarn, and our first round is also done. Okay, we are about to begin the second round. In this round we will use an orange colored yarn, so make a slip knot and insert the hook in the orange colored yarn. Okay, now we are going to slip stitch in any of the chain 1 space. Okay, followed by a chain 3. Okay, so 1, 2 and 3. This is the first double crochet of this round. Then in the same space I am about to do one double crochet. Okay, so yarn over, insert your hook in the space. Okay, pull the yarn through it, pull the yarn through the first 2 loops, then again pull the yarn through the last 2 loops. So double crochet is done. After that we are going to do a chain 1. In the next space we are going to do 2 double crochets in the same way. Okay, 1 and 2, followed by a chain 1. Again in the next space we are going to do 2 double crochets. So 1 and 2. In this manner we will be doing 2 double crochets followed by chain 1 in each of the spaces of this round. Okay, so we will quickly complete it. The steps are very easy. The entire doily comprises of very easy stitches. Okay, so we are about to do the last set of 2 double crochets. So 1 and 2, and we are going to do a chain 1, and we will complete this round with a slip stitch into the third chain of the starting chain 3 of this round. Okay, followed by a chain 1, and we are about to cut this yarn. So we will begin the round 3 with yellow colored yarn. Okay, so firstly we will make a slip knot with the yellow colored yarn and insert the hook in it. Okay, then we are going to do a slip stitch into any of the chain 1 space of the previous round like this, followed by chain 3. This is going to be the first double crochet of this round. Then in the same space we are going to do 2 more double crochets. Okay, so in total there are 3 double crochets, followed by chain 1. Then in the next space I am going to do 3 double crochets. Okay, so 1, 2 and 3. Okay, followed by a chain 1. Okay, very easy. In the same manner, in each of the spaces we are going to do 3 double crochets followed by chain 1. So we will proceed like this throughout this round, that is 3 double crochets followed by chain 1 in each of the spaces of the previous round. Okay, and we will come to the end of this round, and now we are about to do the last set of 3 double crochets. Okay, so 1, 2 and 3 double crochets followed by chain 1, and we will now complete this round with a slip stitch in the third chain of the starting chain 3 of this round. Okay, followed by a chain 1, and now we will cut the yarn to complete this round. So our circular sunburst portion is now ready. We will now proceed to the heart shape. So we will begin the round 4 with a green colored yarn. So make a slip knot and insert the hook in it. In any of the spaces we will be doing a slip stitch. Okay, so we will do our slip stitch now, followed by a chain 1. Okay, now in the same space we will yarn over and do a double crochet. Followed by a chain 1. In the next space yarn over twice, and we will be doing a triple crochet. Okay, in this space we will be doing 3 triple crochets. So this is the first one. It's very easy. So 1 triple crochet done. The second one, and then the third one. Yarn over twice, insert your hook in the space, pull the yarn through it. Pull the yarn through the first 2 loops, pull the yarn to the next 2 loops, pull the yarn through the last 2 loops. After your 3 triple crochets, we are going to chain 2. Then in the same space, we are going to do 3 more triple crochets. Okay. So 1, 2, and the last one, 3. Okay, we will then do a chain 1. Okay, followed by yarn over twice and do 3 half triple crochets. Okay, so this is the first half triple crochet. Okay, so yarn over twice, insert your hook in the space, pull the yarn through the first 2 loops, then through the 3 loops. Okay, so it's done, followed by chain 1. In the same space we are going to do 3 more half triple crochets. Okay, then the last half triple crochet done. So after After that we will do a chain 1. In the next space we are going to do 3 double crochets. Okay, followed by a chain 1. Okay, in this manner we are going to do 3 double crochet followed by chain 1 in the next 2 spaces too. Okay, so 3 double crochets are already done in 2 spaces. We are going to do it in 1 more space. So it's done. 3 double crochets followed by chain 1 in 3 spaces. Now we are going to do the bottom central portion of the heart. Okay, so yarn over twice and do 1 half triple crochet followed by 2 triple crochets. 1 and another one, followed by chain 2, and in the same space 2 triple crochets. Okay, followed by 1 half triple crochet and then a chain 1. Okay, now we are going to do just the mirror images of the first half of the heart. Okay, so we will begin with 3 double crochets followed by chain 1 in the next 3 spaces. So 1 space already done, 2 more are left, and we have done these 2. Then in the following space we will be doing 3 half triple crochets. Okay, so yarn over twice, pull the yarn through the space, pull the yarn through the first 2 loops and then to the 3 loops. In this way we are going to do 2 more half triple crochets followed by chain 1. In the same space we are going to do 3 half triple crochets followed by chain 1. In the last space we are going to do 3 triple crochets. Okay, since I provided the written pattern too, so it will be easier for you to follow. After the 3 triple crochet, chain 2 and 3 more triple crochets. And I have made this portion faster because I've already done this step in the starting of this round. So if you want, you can always slow down the YouTube videos. Okay, we will now do a chain 1, and in the first space where you did the slip stitch of the green color yarn, we are going to do a double crochet followed by a chain 1 and then in the same space a single crochet. Okay, so our heart is done. Now slip stitch in the starting chain 1 space followed by chain 1 and cut the yarn. We will now begin the round 5. Okay, so in this round we have used a sky blue colored yarn and make a slip knot and insert the hook in it. Okay, now in the last single crochet of this previous round we are going to do our slip stitch. Okay, always remember, do the slip stitch in the single crochet stitch of that round followed by a chain 1. Okay, then in the following chain 1 space we are going to do 1 double crochet. Okay, followed by a chain 1. Then in the following space we are going to do 3 triple crochets. Okay, so 2 and 3 followed by chain 2 and 3 more triple crochets in the same space. After After that we are going to do a chain 1. In the following space we are going to do 3 half triple crochets. Okay, followed by a chain 1 and 3 more half triple crochets in the same space. Okay, it's done, followed by a chain 1. Next, in the next 5 spaces, okay, we are going to do 3 double crochets followed by chain 1. Don't skip any spaces. Okay, we will repeat the same in the next 4 spaces, that is 3 double crochets followed by chain 1. Okay, now we have reached the bottom portion of the heart. As the same as the previous step, we are going to do 1 half triple crochet, okay, in that space, followed by 2 triple crochets, followed by chain 2, and then 2 triple crochets and 1 half triple crochet followed by chain 1. Okay, now we are going to do 3 double crochet followed by chain 1 in the next 5 spaces. In the following space, I am going to do 3 half triple crochet. Okay, followed by chain 1 and 3 more half triple crochet in the same space. This portion is also the mirror image of the first part of the heart. Okay, followed by, now we are going to do chain 1, and in the next space I am about to do 3 triple crochets followed by chain 2 and 3 triple crochets in the same space. Okay, followed by chain 1. Then in the next space I am going to do 1 double crochet, followed by chain 1, and in the space where you did the slip stitch, okay, we are going to do a single crochet, followed by slip stitch in the first chain 1 space, followed by chain 1, and we will cut the yarn. Okay, so it's done. Now we will proceed to the next round, that is round 6, and we will slip stitch the indigo colored yarn to the single crochet stitch of the previous round. Okay, we will do a chain 1. We are going to skip the chain 1 space. Okay, and after the next chain 1 space we are going to do 3 double crochets, followed by a chain 1. Like this, in each of the spaces we are going to do 3 double crochets followed by chain 1. Okay, We are now doing 3 double crochets in the chain 2 space of the previous round, followed by chain 1, and in the same way in all the other spaces we are going to do 3 double crochets followed by chain 1 till we reach the central bottom portion of the heart. Okay. In the chain 2 space, okay, we are going to do 3 double crochets. So 1, 2 and 3, followed by chain 2 and 3 more double crochets in the same space. So 1, 2 and 3, followed by chain 1, and each of the remaining spaces we are going to do 3 double crochets followed by chain 1, just the mirror image of the first half of the heart. Okay, we will quickly reach the top portion of the heart. In the next chain 1 space we are going to do 3 double crochets followed by chain 1. We will skip the next chain 1 space, and in the single crochet stitch of the previous round we are going to do our last stitch, that is the single crochet. Okay, followed by slip stitch in the starting chain 1 space of this round, then chain 1 and cut the yarn. Okay, so our this round is also ready. Now we are going to begin the 7th round. Okay, that's the 7th color of the rainbow, the violet color. We are going to make a slip knot and insert the hook in it and slip stitch that into the single crochet stitch of the previous round. Okay, after the slip stitch we are going to do a chain 1. Okay, yarn over and do 1 double crochet. Okay, in the following chain 1 space of the previous round. In the last round we just skipped that chain 1 space. After the double crochet we did a chain 1, and in the following space we are going to do 3 double crochets followed by chain 1. In the next space we are going to do 3 triple crochets. Okay, followed by chain 2 and 3 more triple crochets in the same space. Followed by a chain 1. Okay, in the next space we are going to do 3 half triple crochets. Followed by chain 1 and 3 more half triple crochets in the same space. Okay, followed by chain 1. In the next 7 spaces we are going to do 3 double crochets followed by chain 1. Okay, so 1 space done. In the next 6 spaces 3 double crochets plus chain 1. Okay, we have reached the bottom chain 2 space. Okay, there we are going to do 1 half triple crochet followed by 2 triple crochets, followed by chain 2, then 2 triple crochets, followed by 1 half triple crochet, followed by chain 1. Okay. In the next 7 spaces, we are going to do 3 double crochets followed by chain 1. Okay. In the following space, we are going to do 3 half triple crochets followed by chain 1 and 3 more half triple crochets in the same space. Okay. In the next space, we are about to do 3 triple crochets followed by chain 2 and then 3 more triple crochets in the same space. Just the mirror image of the first half of the heart. Okay. In the following space, we will do 3 double crochets followed by chain 1. In the last chain 1 space, we will do 1 double crochet, okay, followed by a chain 1. Now we will do a single crochet in the single crochet stitch of the last round where we begin this round, okay, followed by a slip stitch in the following chain 1 space and then a chain 1. Okay, so our this round is complete with the shape of the heart done. Now we are going to do our borders. Okay, for the border I will be using white colored yarn. I will slip stitch the white colored yarn in the single crochet stitch of the previous round, okay, followed by a chain 1. In the next stitch or chain 1 space, okay, I will start doing single crochets. Then in each of the stitches and each of the spaces I will be doing single crochets, and where there are 2 chain spaces, there we will do 2 single crochets. Okay, we will do like this till we reach the bottom portion of the heart. Okay, now we have reached the chain 2 space at the top. There I am doing 2 single crochets and then again proceed with doing single crochets in each of the stitches and spaces. Okay, at the lower point of the heart we have a chain 2 space. Okay, there I will be doing 2 single crochets followed by chain 2. Okay, so 1, 2 and then 2 more single crochets in the same space. Okay, now as earlier we will proceed in doing single crochets in each of the stitches and each of the spaces. Okay, and at the top we also have 2 chain spaces. There we will do 2 single crochets. Okay, so this round is very simple, filled with single crochets. Okay, so after we have done our border, okay, we will soon reach the stage where we began, where we slip stitched our white colored yarn. There we will do our last single crochet of this round. Okay, so it's done. Now we will begin our next round. Okay, in this round, we after the single crochet, we will do chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Then we are going to yarn over and insert our hook in that single crochet stitch and pull the yarn through it. Pull the yarn through the first 2 loops, yarn over, insert a hook in the same single crochet and pull the yarn through it. Pull the yarn through the first 2 loops, okay, and then yarn over, again insert the hook in the same single crochet stitch, pull the yarn through it and pull the yarn through the first 2 loops. Now we have got 4 loops and pull the yarn through all the 4 loops. This was a cluster of 3 double crochets. After that we skipped 2 stitches and did a single crochet in the following stitch. Again chain 3, okay, yarn over and insert a hook in the single crochet we did in that hole, okay. Pull the yarn through it. Pull the yarn through the first 2 loops and repeat it 2 more times to do the cluster of 3 double crochets, okay. Now we have 4 loops in the hook. Pull the yarn through all the 4 loops and skip 2 stitches, okay, and in the following stitch we will do a single crochet. Done. In the same way we will proceed in doing our cluster stitch border throughout this round till we reach the bottom portion of the heart, okay. Always insert the hook in the hole, okay, that is a single crochet stitch, okay. So cluster stitch done, skip 2 stitches and in the following stitch do a single crochet. Repeat like this till we reach the bottom portion of the heart. In the bottom portion also there are no different rule, okay, because after doing the cluster stitch, okay, as I'm doing now, cluster stitch is quite easy as I have shown you. Pull the yarn through all the 4 loops. Now we are going to skip this stitch and another stitch which is in the chain 2 space, and in the chain 2 space we will do a single crochet, okay. Then proceed as earlier, chain 3 and do the cluster stitch in the single crochet hole, okay. Pull the yarn through all the 4 loops, then skip the next 2 stitch, that is 1, 2, and in the third stitch do a single crochet. Just proceed like this throughout this round, okay. It's very easy. In case if you are not following, then you can always slow down the speed, okay. So like this we are doing our cluster stitch. The white colored border is looking very pretty in this rainbow colored doily. So white color resembles the cloud, I hope so. I think it's looking pretty. This is the last cluster stitch I am going to do, so do it very carefully. Cluster stitch is quite easy. If you want me to do a tutorial on cluster stitch, then comment in the comment section and show you. After the last single crochet, we will just slip stitch in the single crochet stitch of the last round where we began our cluster stitch, okay. We will just do a slip stitch followed by a chain 1 and cut the yarn. So our heart doily is ready. It's very beautiful. You can play with your own color, okay, but I think this color combination is looking quite pretty. I hope you liked this tutorial. If you liked this tutorial, then please hit the like button, comment in the comment section for any queries and suggestions, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.